guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a very long time, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated room tour. Okay, so starting from the outside, this is my door and I have just a little macrame decoration thing, and let's go in. So inside, this is just an overview. It's my closet, my bed, and yeah. This is the back of my door. I just have a little hook, my bathrobe, and of course I have my collection of masks here. Don't worry, they're all clean. And then over here, it gets really colorful. So I am in a sorority. It's an Asian intro sorority, so we do paddles. So this one is for my little sister. The big letters kind of fell off, but that's fine. I still have the letters, so I'll just glue that back on. But yeah, this is the paddle she gave me. And then at the top of my bookshelf, I just have all the other paddles that I was given. So I have my high school graduation tassel and then my college graduation tassel over here. So the next shelf, I have my Google Mini. And then I have this little cute giraffe plush. And then I just have some notebooks. This is my study abroad journal. It's just a regular journal, and then this is a notebook that my cousin gave me. I have my Polaroid photo album. I don't really fill this up. I only fill up the one page because I do have all my other Polaroids displayed in my closet. And then I have my Instax. And then over here I just have a Eiffel Tower little statue thing. And I have this beaded necklace. I got this from New Orleans. No, I don't know how to say it. And then next I just have this is kind of my sorority stuff. This is just a photo of me and my line sisters and my pledge mom. My pledge mom gave us this rose, and then this was my mask when we were revealing. And then over here I just have my designer boxes, so I just kind of displayed that. And then I have a mason jar that I painted, and then some fake flowers. And then on the bottom, honestly, these aren't even real books. I really don't read anymore. The only real book I have here is The Crazy Rich Asians, and that's not even mine. And I tried to read it, but I've only really read one chapter of it, and then I was like, okay, I guess I won't read it anymore. But yeah, I have just sewing and fashion books. I have my coloring books. And then I just have devotion books. This was also given to me by my friend who's in the photo. And then I have this photo booth strip and the mason jar mug. That's from my friend's wedding. And then I have these two crystals, also from my big sister. She has a Instagram shop, so you guys should check that out. I'll link it down below. And then I have this little Quran Palawan keychain. I just like to keep it there. And then on the bottom shelf, I just have all my shoe boxes. This is not all my shoes, but this is just the shoes where I kept the boxes from. Moving on, next is my closet. It's not a walk-in closet, it's just a regular closet, but I did display all my Polaroids over here. And then, I don't know, it's not messy, but yeah, this is my closet. Yeah. Okay. So moving on to my bed, I just have this little ottoman right here, and then I have this little wire basket with blankets and slippers for guests, and also just for me if I want more blankets. And then on the bottom I do have my Christmas stuff, so I just keep my mini Christmas trees and the ornaments. And then over here I just have my NC State pillow pet, and then this giraffe that I won at the state fair. Over here I just have these three frames. This one and this one, my mom got that from a garage sale or something, so I just kept that. All the frames are from Michael's. And then this Prada frame, the photo I got it online and just blew it up. And then I just have my tapestry right there. It's from Amazon. I will link a lot of the products in the description box below. This is my bed and all of my pillows. And then that's like a little plush blanket I have. So this blanket is actually from Sam's Club. And then the duvet is from IKEA. And then the duvet cover is from Amazon. This I got from an arcade. And then this is from IKEA. This is actually a really expensive pillow. My dad got this from Amazon. And then these are my pillows. The sheets, like this and this and this came in a set. And they're from Amazon. And then this, I got the pillow from Walmart. And then the cover from Target. So this is just a big body pillow. So moving on to my side table, my nightstand. I don't know what you guys call it. I have no idea where this is from. We've had this for forever. But this lamp, I love this lamp. This is from TJ Maxx. And then on the side, I just have like 50 million lip balms, Vicks, real headphones, my AirPods, earplugs, and then my fan and light switch. And then I just have my TV remote and my Roku, and then my eyeglasses. These are from Firmu. And then I just have my laptop charger and my phone charger. And then over here I have some coasters. I got the bottom one from Milan. And then this one, my friend actually got this for me from Turkey. And then this diffuser, I got, not a diffuser, what is this called? Incense. I got this from Target. And then this was a gift, this dragon fruit candle. And then this fake plant, I also got this from TJ Maxx. And then I just have this Polaroid. I believe this is from Urban. And then I just have a Polaroid of my dog. So here I have my diffuser. I have hand sanitizer and face tissues. And then I have this mirror. This is also from IKEA. And then I have my laptop. And then over here I have my trash can. And this is also from IKEA. This is like a laptop desk thingy for the bed. And then I have this white chair, and then this pillow is actually from Target, and that's just a regular pillow, but it's kind of flat now, so I just use that to sit on. I also have more coasters. I got that from Budapest when I was there. I have some memory cards here. This plant is actually fake. I made this during a sorority event, and I just kept it because I thought it was pretty. And then I have this pin. I got this at my first ACC tournament that I went to. That was actually right before Corona, and then they canceled everything. So yeah, that was a fun experience. And then I have this frame also from TJ Maxx, and the puzzle is also from TJ Maxx, so I just framed that. And then I have my school supplies right here. This is from IKEA. And then yeah, I just have like a fidget spinner over here and like this thing, I don't know what it's called, slinky. Yeah, it's just like a stress reliever for me. And then over here we have my makeup stuff, vanity, skincare, all that stuff. So over here I have all the makeup that I use more than all the other makeup I have here. This acrylic organizer is also from TJ Maxx. I just have this pineapple tart palette over here because it really doesn't fit anywhere else. And then I have my straightener over here. Over here, I just have a basket of like hair stuff, skin stuff, like nail stuff. The basket is from Target. And then over here, I have another one of these, also from IKEA. I just keep my brushes over here. And then I have my moisturizer. And I have two beauty blenders, well, Real Techniques sponges. And then I have my NARS makeup there. I don't really like to face it down. And then over here I have my full-length mirror. And I also have this rug also from IKEA. And then I have my, what is this? Laundry basket. And then over here I just have this jewelry organizer. I think that's also from TJ Maxx. So I just have all my hoops, necklaces, and remember the choker trend, guys? Good times. Next, I just have this little grid display thing. I got that from Target. And then I just have this flag from my college, and then my friend made me that. And then I also have this Louis Vuitton thing. I don't remember why I got this. Maybe Milan. And I just have a Jumpman sticker right there. And then next, I just have my drawer. This is the last part of my room tour. This drawer is from Amazon. I have Janae Aiko CDs. I really don't know what to do with that, but if you want that, let me know. And then I just have this frame I got from my Little. I have my perfumes over here and my nail polishes. And then I have fake plants over here. Also, let me know what you guys think of this setup because, I don't know, it kind of gives me funeral vibes just because of the picture frame and then the flowers, so yeah. And then next I just have this canvas from my friend. She made me that. It's so cute. And then I have my jewelry stuff here. I have my ring holders, my bracelets and watches, some perfumes, and then some earrings. I actually made this thing by myself. I got all of that from Goodwill. And then I just have my keys over here. And then this planter, it's fake. I just kept it in my room because my mom was going to throw it away and I was like, that's cute. And on the side, I just have my camera stuff and then I have a yoga mat. And then at the top, I have my TV. I'll try to link it, but this is just the Hisense brand, yeah. And then over here, I just have a cactus plant, that's fake. And then I have another one over here. And then I have this one. I got this from Harrods in London. And then I have this J Marquee lights. And then I just have this snow globe that my friend got me. I have a small Eiffel Tower keychain my friend also got me. And then I have this Laundry macaron box from when I went to Paris. And then I have this picture frame of me and my sister. The picture frame is from TJ Maxx. And then I have this Hershey teddy bear. I got that when I went to the Hershey Park in Pennsylvania. And then I have this Paris shot glass also when I went to Paris. And then I have this rock I got from Croatia. And then I just have my 2 candles right here. And yeah, that's basically it. Let me just do more B-roll.